Now I am going to solve the B problem, that is find the probability of modulus of x minus 8 is greater than or equals to 6. This is the question. Okay, so now this I am modifying like this: 1 minus probability of modulus of x minus 8 is less than 6. Okay, we can write like this. Now I am going to find this one. So what is given? Given that mu is equals to 8 and sigma square is equals to 9. That implies sigma is equals to 3. Okay. So by the Cheboshev's theorem, we have what we have: probability of, I will write with red pen because it is not working. I am writing P of x mu minus k sigma is less than, x is less than mu plus k sigma, which is always greater than equals to 1 minus 1 by k square. Consider this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now we have to find P of modulus of x minus 8 is less than 6. So this I am going to write P of minus 6 is less than, x minus 8 is less than 6. Okay, so this is also can be written as add throughout with 8. What you will get? Minus 6 plus 8. Okay, plus 2 is less than, x is less than. If you bring this 8 to the 8 plus add, if you add, what you will get? 14 you will get. So now this is equation 3. From 2 and 3 I can write. From 2 and 3 we have mu minus k sigma is equals to, what we can write? 2. That implies 8 minus k into 3 is equals to 2. That implies 3k is equal to 6. That implies k is equals to 2. Now you got k value is 2. Therefore, P of this one only, modulus of x minus 8 less than 6 can be written as, okay, is greater than or equals to 1 minus 1 by k square by the Cheboshev's theorem. What is k value? 2. That is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4. That is equals to 3 by 4. Now you got this value. So this is a positive value. You got 3 by 4. Okay. Then what we need? We need to calculate this minus of this. Okay. Right. Now I am writing. Hence, probability of modulus of x minus 8 is greater than equals to 6 is equals to 1 minus probability of modulus of x minus 8 is less than 6. Okay. So because of this minus, okay, what is happened, this value, the greater than symbol will become less than. Okay. So this is, I can write less than because of this minus. 1 minus 3 by 4. Okay. Or you can put equal to also. So therefore P of modulus of x minus 8 is greater than equals to 6 is less than or equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. That can be written as 1 by 4. This is the answer. So like this we can find the probability. Okay, so this is the answer for the B problem. I hope it is clear to you. With this I am closing this video. Thank you.